I took this silver plated tray and I sprayed it in chalked by Rust-Oleum and chiffon cream, sanded the edges, and wiped it back with a microfiber cloth so that it's nice and clean. And you can grab these at a yard sale. We're going to work with Lavender Bunch today, and it's a beautiful transfer. You can find this at chalkitofancy.com. It has the 3 panels, and when you get your transfers, you can cut into them. I'm going to show you 3 different projects with this transfer, and I had much left over. You want to remove the protected backing, lay your image down. You take the applicator stick that's in your package, you rub on the top until the top film releases. And I went all the way around my tray to create a wreath out of the lavender. I loved it plain, so these are just options for you. I think this came out very pretty just to leave it like this. But I did find this transfer from the Dollar Tree. It had family rules on there, and this kind of applies the same way. I will tell you, it takes a while for it to come off. That's why it's at the Dollar Tree, but they do work, and I'm always happy with the results. It just takes a little longer and a little more pressure. Then I sprayed with Crayon Clear Glaze. Then I found this small canvas at the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed another image and laid it down on the canvas. And again, took my applicator, rubbed the image till the top film released. You want to make sure you burnish your image once it's down. And then I hot glued it to this burlap frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I added jute, a little bow, and glued it just to the end of the bunch. And I thought this was adorable. Then I found these little houses plaques at the Dollar Tree, and I put 2 matching sprays in each house frame. Again, rubbing the transfer till my top film released. And then I took a dowel. I measured it to the height of the back end of the house frame. And then I took the saw and cut it where I marked off. And then I hot glued this dowel to the back side as I want to attach them so that they sit on a corner. And this worked out really well, so I had a standing frame. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, you can check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much.